y'all. Pro Exterior Services here again. And what's on the task today? Actually, we're here on a regular. Every 6 months we come out and do the gutters and window cleaning. So breaking out our Zero screen cleaner and water fed brush, and it's just exterior only. Tony's already started on the gutter, so normally what we do here is I'll let him get started, and by the time I get set up, he's one side of the house done with the gutter. That way I can come in and do the window cleaning. I try to clean my screens first so they could be drying, because I don't want none of that regular water to get on my DI system or to touch the windows after I clean it. So anyway, we're going to set up shop right here to clean the screens. Customer has a hose right here, so we just plug it in, boom, clean the screens real quick. The first thing I do, and I lay the screen kind of next to the window so I know what window it goes to. Some of them don't have screens. Gutters here, yeah, that's a regular deal, so not bad at all. And then I got this little tool from WCR when I ordered some other stuff, this little window cleaning, window screen remover tool. It's okay. I mean, it's kind of hard to get in the bottom. I mean, you can get it from the side, but anyway, I'm gonna get caught up here. I already talked to him about the driveway too. So, and we do this house over here too, the gutters. Let me get over here. Big soprano spread. Big soprano spread. So anyway, all right, guys, we're gonna get set up, and I'll get some footage here in a minute. Some window cleaning footage. All right, peace. I did one side already, and Tony's almost done the gutters. So I'll just tell you what, I lost my other brush. This is not the right brush. But you see they got like little dirt daubers here. We just come in and knock them down. Kind of wipe this track down a little bit. Just kind of prep it a little bit. The other brush gets it good, but more so those mud daubers. Anything you may see, that looks good. I already did this, already mud daubered that one. Get a little pole here, a little pole in action. Get a good pressure. It's kind of pre-wet. I pre-wet the sides. If you're doing pressure washing, and I mean, this is not a bad alternative solution to offer. Another service, you know. So if you want to get those clients and make sure they stick with you and not a competitor. As soon as somebody comes in and offers them a window cleaning and you don't do it, guess what they do? Or at least I would do. I'd be like, wait a minute, you know we offer services on other things like pressure washing, roof washing. So this one's done. I like to go a little extra. Come back, do a good rinse. Just back it up a little bit. Waterfall it down. Already got this one don't have a screen, but all the screens are already done. Make sure you get that ledge good. And next, come in, give me some slack. The only thing I would recommend is, you know, we got this little caddy here, which is nice, it works, but after that thing fills up with water, it gets pretty heavy. Let's just call it that. And I always get in the tracks right here when I wear screens. Just kind of shoot my jets in the track. This is just my way. Make sure you get those tracks too, the sides. Yeah, this thing's already paid for itself plus some, so I'm not complaining. I know I got people on my channel, this ain't real window cleaning, this, you got the junky stuff. Yeah, it's alright. I'm out here swinging a brush, baby. That's all that matters. Then I get in my tracks. There's a track brush. But I don't have that, so we may compromise. You work with what you got, baby. That's what it's about. Then always come back, do this side, too. Yeah, last time we did it, she was like, oh gosh, it looks so brand new. We're not doing the inside either, so she did the inside. That one's done. And that gets you good. And deionized water. We got soft water here too. So, you know, when I say soft, I mean like, I think my TDS at my house is like 150 without a filter. So, anyway, see, all that stuff here. Here's one here I missed. See? Get my balls on it. You could probably wash this with a hose prior to. And if they were green, like we got to do a window job. I did one the other day, and the windows were green, like bad green. So you know what I did? I pull out the soft wash. Hit it with a soft wash. Okay. So I catch my rails here. You can almost see stuff coming off the window. Like, I don't know, it looks cloudy to me. I don't know if you could catch it on cam. It has been nice here. The weather. We got another bunch of approvals. I tell you, it kind of slowed down a little bit in the summer. We had a bunch of maintenance customers keeping us busy, but it kind of slowed down a little bit, and then all of a sudden, everybody woke up. I don't know how you guys are doing in your areas. APRs, we call them, areas per responsibility. Stay in your lane. Get all that out. Yeah, I got to do my windows at home. My wife's already telling me, oh, I got to clean my windows. I'm thinking about getting one of these actually for my garage. My little car wash setup. See, they got some debris right there. I'm gonna get that off too. So anyway, yeah, I'm thinking about getting a DI tank for my house to do the spotless car wash, baby. Always lay your tools where it won't fall, hit a window, break a window. Let's check this one out. Look at that. Boom. Sticking. It's amazing how that stuff works. We already did these over here. Put the screen back on this one. The screen's in the front on that one. It's got some white stuff on it. That's not us. So, but yeah, this is drying up beautiful. Screens for the two backs, so I'll put those on. And then I'll move to the next section, take the screens off, and roll with them. So, catch up. Peace. I got it all done. It took us probably, for this whole job, gutter cleaning, full gutter cleaning, and a full window wash, screen cleaning, probably an hour and 20 minutes. And here's just a sample of what on the windows. Looks good. They put a patch on the window. One thing you need to, I also did these doors. I'll show you the front. We got some spooky stuff out here today. Close to Halloween. Oh, people think. Did these. Got all that done. Got all these front done. See it from the side, and everything's popping. Yeah, got them all done. But one thing I would preface the customer is that when you're removing the screens, and as they get older, they get more fragile. So be cognizant of that. So let them know there may be some damage upon removing a screen. We had one that was a little broke. I was able to kind of save it, but next time I do it, it will break. Anyway, we wrapped up. Got that Tundra. The gas guzzler. It's alright, I love putting gas in it. Alright guys, we're gonna catch up, collect my money, roll on for another one. See him in 6 months. Alright, peace. Our next property. You just heard the well kick on. This is kind of about 15-20 minutes from the house, but you can see it's off the ground. It's got algae. Look how close it is to the neighbors. Let's take a walk. It's right on the Bayou. They're moving their vehicle. Oh dang, look how high that water is. Watch out for some gators. Get some gator meat. Anyway, back here is not too high. That's easy. It's all easy. Yeah, oh, look. Interesting. You can see here the algae. We got a wind today. It's blowing to the water, which is a lot better than blowing to somebody's house. But yeah, it looks good. This is the side I was talking about with the right on our neighbors. I said, how cool are you with your neighbors? Like shoot from their yards. Oh. So we got a couple things over here. We got a power line. And we got the neighbors. It's gonna be fun. We're gonna do. When I quoted the job, I said, "Look, we're gonna do what we can with what we got." She said, "I'm more worried about all this other stuff, so we'll get that done." So we're doing property protection. We'll catch up in a minute. Soon. Peace. We're under here just watering a bunch of this wood. Trying to get it. You know, we always preface the customer as well. Let them know, look, you know, could have some a little bit of a color tint change to our situation because of the wood. We always charge accordingly. Always charge accordingly. You see that wood, it'll soak it up originally. You hit it again, it's good. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and hit the side and the front. Here we got soap. Yeah, we do. I'm gonna try to get in the shade for you guys. I know I'm spoiling you guys. Well, can't spoil you now. Nice coat. You ain't trying to bleach the earth. Just go get the brush. Alright guys, I'm gonna get this, but there's gonna be a lot of blowback, so I'm gonna cut you off for now, catch you up in a minute. Peace. Last section just underneath here, just trying to get, they got a lot of cobwebs and they thicken this vinyl, so it's the rent beast mode, and the wind ain't that, it's the wind. Boy, look at the wind. Doing a curveball. Trying to hit these peaks with the wind. So we must be going with the wind today. A lot of that stuff coming off the ceiling. Yeah. Sticking to that vinyl, man. Right there. Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and rinse this. Rinse your wood good. This is all we got left to do. Been about an hour. It's just a lot of different angles. So we're gonna wrap it up here in about 20 minutes. Alright, looks good. Wrapped it up. Got it done. I wanted to show you guys, I forgot to mention this too. So we started there on that house, the last house. I repositioned the tape. It was right at 40. And I guess we had 36, 37 in that range. So about 3-4 gallons on that last house. So anyway, that's it. Cleaned her out. Got it all clean. We always do this. Started to do that at the end of every job now just to make it a habit, so it's worked out well. Anyway, please like, sub, call, comment, and I'm gonna start trying to answer questions on the video. Peace.